Welcome back to 365 Woodworks, guys. Been MIA for a bit. Had a lot of work traveling the country, working on the shop. Really didn't touch it for about 5 weeks, to be honest. Just got burnt out and super busy with prep work. So got the ceiling all painted, primed, the last wall painted, primed. Still have to put the outlets in there, my 20 amp receptacles in those. And the only thing I've got left in the room to do trim wise, because the trim's already on the walls and the ceiling, the only thing I have to do trim wise in here is around the windows. May order some windows to replace those, we shall see, but not for now. We've got to get busy cracking on some projects, and then I still have to paint the door and do the trim around that. So I did this week decided to go with polyurethane on the floors. This is supposed to be the warm satin. Got 2 coats on this, what you see, mainly to protect because some of the floor is OSB. Turned out really well so far. I'd love to have a 3rd coat on it, but between cure time and I just got to get busy. I'm gonna go with 2 coats. Looks pretty good. So fixing today, gonna have some short video, and I'll do a time lapse where I'm gonna move all my stuff around the perimeter to the center of the floor. It's been a couple days that this is curing, and I'm gonna do the last 2 coats around this perimeter, the L shape. I'm gonna be leaving the shelves in the back, just moving the stuff in front of those, and get that sealed up for you. All right, on to the video of me doing the floors, guys.